At CrystoVision, we believe too many people enter crypto full of curiosity and leave full of questions. Not because they are not capable, because the experience often feels harder than it needs to be. Too many charts. Too many terms. Too much noise pretending to be sophistication. That is not a smart start. That is a fog machine with price alerts. The real breakthrough is not the first winning trade. It is the first moment the market stops feeling random. When the terms start making sense. When the charts stop feeling hostile. When your decisions feel more deliberate and less like you are pressing buttons and hoping for the best. That shift matters more than hype ever will. At CrystoVision, we combine clear education, intuitive tools, expert support, and advanced analytics in a way that helps people actually use what they are seeing. With 1M+ completed trades, 4,000 opportunities, and 30+ payment methods, the platform gives users plenty of room to grow, but it does not force them to learn by drowning. Confidence in crypto does not come from louder promises. It comes from better understanding. That is why CrystoVision focuses on trading basics, clean interface options, useful alerts, detailed portfolio tracking, and support that stays practical. When people understand more, they panic less. When they panic less, they usually make better choices. At CrystoVision, we are not just opening a door to the market. We are helping people walk through it without feeling lost. Less confusion. More clarity. Less guessing. More control. That is what CrystoVision changes.